are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.
Infinity Great Achievers International Foundation has, in the past 2 years, been working in Nigeria, providing free vocational training to the Nigerian youths and young adults, helping them to acquire skills that enable their earning capacity, by so doing preventing poverty. We also provide health and social care for less privileged women, widows and the elderly. Our next major project is centered around homeless children living on the streets as well as orphans in Nigeria. These children are prone to illnesses, malnourishment, drug abuse, crime, accidents, and so on, and are also at risk of being trafficked. Some are orphans and there are an estimated 8.6 million orphan children in Nigeria. Our charitable organization recently secured a facility in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, which we intend to turn into a center for these vulnerable children as well as orphans. But this facility needs a high level of renovation and equipment to make it fit for purpose. With us, these children would have access to accommodation, education, vocational training, healthcare, nourishing food, daily care and the opportunity of a better life. Please, join us in making this facility a center of excellence for these vulnerable children in Nigeria. Support us, and let's together be the change we want.
A very good evening to you, and thanks for joining us on another episode of your one and only program, Legal Point. How has your day been? Hope you're keeping safe and doing great. Please, let's do as much as we can to ensure that we stay safe. Don't forget, for all your legal matters, immigration, family law, employment law, civil and criminal litigation, welfare and benefits, and for your advice on how to navigate post-Brexit on your status and business-wise, get in touch with us at KACE Law Solicitors. Our website is on the screen, www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our 24/7 mobile line is there. You can reach us at any time. Our office address is there. We have a team of experts who are always ready to work with you, achieve your desired results anytime, any day. Get in touch with us at KACE Law Solicitors and you will be glad you did. Tonight, for the past few months, since the beginning of this season on this show, we've been looking at the pandemic and the effect it's having on our daily lives. Tonight, we'll be looking at the effect of the pandemic on our health and well-being. On our health and well-being, what are the things we can do to stay fit, at a season, at a period like this. I'm not alone at the studio tonight. I've got a very gorgeous lady with me in the house. I was discussing with her backstage before we come on live, and seriously, I've been blessed already with what to do to get in shape. I really want to get in shape, and I believe we want to get in shape too. Welcome with me, my guest tonight, Vivian. Good evening, Beaton. I was gonna make sure I get it right. Hi, Vivian.
Hi, Esther. Thanks for having me.
Beautiful having you on the show tonight.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for the pre-show gist.
We all need it.
I definitely have been blessed with that.
Yes.
Can you let our people meet you? Who is Vivian Beaton? What do you do? Let's get to meet you.
Yeah, sure, certainly. So like Esther said, my name is Vivian Beaton. In terms of I'm a mother and I'm a wife. I've got 3 children.
You don't look it.
I do. I've got 3. And in terms of what I do as an everyday job, I could say is I'm a senior child and family children and family sector. So a lot of the work I do is focused more around child protection, mentoring, supervising practitioners for over 9 years now. And so that's what
fantastic.
Vivian does on a daily basis.
On a daily basis.
Yes.
Why?
And then there's another part of Vivian.
That's the one we want to hear about tonight.
Yeah. In terms of our kind of African food, I would say...
okay, let's take that call. Good evening. Thanks for calling. Hello? Call us back. We lost that. Please feel free to call. The studio line is there on the screen. If you want to call in to ask Vivian your questions or chip in anything, please feel free to call. We lost that call. You can call again. Okay,
definitely. So where was I? I think
food. What we put in our
So
mouth.
in terms of our African food, a lot of people feel, oh, I have to cut out the rice, I have to cut out the potatoes, the beans, and all of that.
Hello. Good evening. Thanks for calling. Hello.
I just want to comment.
Go on, please.
Hello.
We can hear you. Go on, please. Please turn down the volume of your TV set.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Speak on, please.
This is Kike on the line.
Okay. Thanks, Kike, for calling.
I've really benefited from Vivian's coaching on Zoom, and it's really been a blessing to me. I could hardly move my body during the lockdown. But it's really made a lot of difference.
Wow.
Blessing.
I'm definitely joining your coaching class.
Yes, Esther, you must. Yes,
thank you, Kike, for calling.
Thank you.
For everyone out there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kike. Thank you so much. For people out there who want to join your Zoom class, like Kike just testified that she's been, enjoying the class and she's benefited a lot from it. If anybody want to join your Zoom class, what do they do?
So basically, it's just providing me with your details. I'll add you to our WhatsApp group, and we just communicate via WhatsApp. Okay. So like I said, we put in slots. So what I'll do is I'll put in, at the beginning of the week, I'll put in my availability for the week. Okay. So I could say I'm available on a Friday at 6, on a Saturday at 2, on a Sunday at 5, and the group members will respond and say what day suits them.
Okay.
And majority of the vote goes with it, really. So if a lot of people are saying yes, Thursday is good for us, a Saturday, then we just go with that. So it's basically working with our time that meets everybody. So that's what we do. So if you're interested, yes, please. Yeah.
Okay. Vivian's email address is on the screen. Please email Vivian if you really want to be part of the Zoom class. So we're talking about what we eat.
Yes.
Especially with BIM community. We love our swallow, we love our egusi, we love our bono, we love all these things. Like I told you before we came in, came on live. At times you just want to feel like, okay, maybe I shouldn't even eat at all.
No, you don't want to do that. Like I said, Esther, it's you have to eat. Your body needs food. It's just basically the way the body system works is if you don't give it food, what it does is stores food.
Hello, people really love you, Vivian, tonight. Good evening, thanks for calling.
Hello, good evening. This is Chris.
Hi, Chris.
I've heard about Vivian's coaching class on Zoom.
Interesting.
So, I just want to know if she's going to be organizing for men as well.
Are you doing for just
Oh
women?
my gosh.
What are you doing now?
At the moment, it's just women. I think during the lockdown, there was a lot of women. You know, were kind of worried about the state of women being at home, and it was just a kind of like a new initiative for me because I was actually encouraged by my mentor. He said to me, "Vivian, you're so good at this. Why don't you do it?" So he encouraged me to do it. So I started off with females, but it's definitely something I'll consider.
Okay, men, don't worry. I'm gonna beg Vivian to get something done for men as well. It shouldn't be about women alone.
Yes,
we're
definitely.
talking about food.
Yes, we'll go back to food again. So yes, so it's all about just minding, portion sizes is definitely, paramount. You can't just go and get a big bowl of amala or pounded jam and eat it and then you think you're going to lose weight. No, it's about portion. You can eat a small portion now and eat another portion later, but it's just you're training your body to eat small, so you're shrinking your stomach.
Okay, so you're saying we don't have to give up our food. We don't have to give up what we eat.
No, not at all. I'm always an advocate for eat, because you see the thing is the minute you start to make food your enemy, that's when you start putting on weight because you're restricting yourself. Don't restrict yourself. Eat little. Obviously in terms of like the chocolates and the high sugar sugar food, cut it down as much as you can. But in terms of our food, you can have a little bit of rice and some veg. You can have some swallow. Kind of like look for substitute. Like I was saying earlier, I would have
oats.
Oats, yes. I'll get the organic oats. You get it from Sainsbury's. I blend it, put like you're making your pounded jam normally. I put it in a pot, make it, and I have it with my swallow. I kind of keep away from like egusi a bit because egusi is quite fatty, the oils and stuff. But it doesn't mean you stop eating it completely. You just obviously cut it down in terms of how much times you eat. So if it's something that you would eat every day, eat it once or twice a week. Yeah, so it's just about cutting down, having small portions, and obviously in terms of like stuff like the oil, the palm oil, be mindful of it. Go for stuff like more like okra. Okra is very beneficial for your health. Very good okra. Have okra, have spinach, and you can have it with your pound.
So you don't have to give up your delicacies.
Please don't.
Small portions and
just make
eat less.
Yeah, eat less. Yeah, the small portions is very, very paramount because you're training your stomach to eat small. You don't want to. The more you eat, the more it becomes enlarged. Okay. You want to train your stomach to hold a small amount of food.
For most women, it's the tummy.
Oh gosh.
Especially after childbirth, after the first, second, third child, you just for some women, for some of us, you just discovered that this thing refuses to go down.
Shift, yeah, definitely.
What would be your advice? This is people trying to lose weight at a particular area of the body. What would be your advice, especially for women? For men as well. Let's cut them off.
We don't want to put them off. Well, sorry to bust your bubble, guys. We can't really spot pick. We can't say we're going to lose weight on our arms and on our thighs. I've been trying to lose weight on my thighs. It doesn't go anywhere. The thing about it is, when you can't really spot pick, but I think when you lose weight, when you're trying to lose weight and you cut down in your eating pattern, you're eating healthy and small portions, and you're also kind of incorporating exercise to it, you find that you lose the weight. But then, like I was saying earlier, try to incorporate some level of weights into it, because that's what gives you the definition. So in terms of your stomach, you're losing the weight in your stomach. The exercise and the weights that you're using is toning it up, so it's giving you a nicer silhouette. So the stomach goes, but then you find that other areas are still there. So you still got your bum, but the bum is toning up and it's more firm. So that's the benefits of it. A lot of people think I'll go to the gym and just run. I'll run cardio, but no, trust me. Try to incorporate some weights into it. It really gives the definition of the body, and that's how you're able to lose weight on a certain area and still keep everything.
Okay, you mentioned something when we were chatting. You spoke about using your weight. How do we use our weight?
What, your body weight?
Our body weight. How do we use it?
Okay.
How do we use it to lose it?
Okay, so in terms of like using your body weight, I would say for me it's more around like when you're talking about the fitness aspect of it. At home, you could be at home, like I was talking about the glute bands. Yeah. You use the glute bands for your thighs, for your butt, for your stomach. You don't really have to go and use like heavy weights and be lifting weights in the gym. None of that. You can actually use your body weights to do exercise. So you can, you can be at the corner of the chair and you can use the chair for your arms. So you're using your body weight to actually lose, to tone up certain areas in your body. So that's using your body weight most especially. So that's how you use it.
Okay. Improvising, not going to the gym but wanting to exercise at home. Before I come to the elderly who are actually isolating, and what are the materials we can use at home?
Like I said, it's just about being creative with what you have
You
at
spoke
home.
to me about skipping ropes.
Skipping ropes are very good. You know, skipping is, if you go and Google it or go to YouTube, you can see the benefits of skipping. Skipping's really, really good. You can also, like I said, you get 2-litre bottles, you know, the big water bottles.
Or dumbbells.
That could be your dumbbells if you haven't got a dumbbell at home. You can get your glute bands, you know. It's just basically, do you know what? YouTube is your friend. Go to YouTube, look at different tips that you can actually use at home. There's so many platforms out there on YouTube. Tap into it, you know. Use that. You can just be at home, you can get a friend on WhatsApp and you two can be on WhatsApp, or you can join us on Zoom, and you guys can just do it together, just so you have motivation, because sometimes you're not motivated.
Exactly. You need
so
some
get a
motivation.
friend, you two are on it, you know, give your time yourself 30 minutes to start with, and just do that. And I think that would really help. So just basically using what you have at home, so you don't have to go and spend big membership. Go for a jog, run up and down the stairs. Still equivalent.
You skipping rope.
Skipping rope's really
and
good.
for the elderly who are shielding, what do we do? What do they do to exercise and keep fit?
It's so tricky for them, and I feel really bad, because I was speaking to my auntie's 62, and during the shielding period she was just at home, and I was like, Aunt, she's like, Vivian, what do? I can't join your Zoom class because I'm too old. But I said, you know what, Auntie's got steps. Go up and down your stairs, Auntie. So my auntie started doing that. She also went on YouTube. There was some, you know, some tips for the older adults, you know. So she was doing some of that. And I think there's something that they do on GMTV in the morning, from 6 o'clock for every 15 minutes, just some exercise tips for the elderly, because it's really difficult for them, and I really feel bad for them. But please, 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 our body as human beings, we're made as human beings to be in motion. We're not supposed to be static. The minute you're static in one spot, it would affect you. The minute we're not engaging in activities, it would impact on not just on our physical well-being, on our mental health. And that's the reason why we must not isolate that. We must always incorporate that. Every little counts. I've got like a Fitbit watch at home. You know, like I got one for my auntie as well. She goes for little walks just around her garden. She goes around, she aims to do about 6,000 steps a day. But that really encourages her. She goes, Vivian, look, I've done 4,000. So, you know, just every little helps. Don't think, oh, I need to do something major. You do 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, it adds up at the end of the week.
And what do you think are the effects of weight gain, obesity? How do they impact on our lives? Because someone is out there thinking, guys, well, let me exercise. I can't be bothered. What do you think are
the impacts are there's so many out there, you know, apart from the fact of the obesity putting on so much weight, where it's now linked to stuff like diabetes, high blood pressure and all of that. We're now looking at the mental health aspect of it. You're depressed, you're low, you know, you feel down, you know, you're not feeling like yourself, you're just at home. And that's what it does to your mental health, you know. It affects your sex life. It affects so many things that it affects, because you become sluggish as a person. And that's the reason why, you know, we must, you know, incorporate some kind of fitness into it. Even if it's just a little, we do that, plus the healthy eating aspect of it as well.
Exercise boosts your morale,
of course,
energy.
You know, you just like your partner, your husband saying, oh, you know, I want to, let's go there, and you're like, I'm too tired. I'm just tired from work.
I don't want to.
But you find that when you go to the gym or you've done a little bit of exercise, you feel flexible, you feel fit. Even in terms of the flexibility as well, you're able to maneuver more. You're not so lying there and you're just stiff. We don't want that.
Okay, we got a text in from Stella. I'm going to read that quickly. She said, Vivian's Zoom session has been amazing for me.
My gosh,
I have lost 2 dress size since
Stella
joining.
has.
She is so versatile and really motivates you to push yourself harder every time. Thank you for all the dedication and the hard work, Stella.
Thank you,
Stella, for that.
She did lose a lot of weight. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize she was losing weight. It was just one time I was like, I said, today's session is going to be intense and I'm going to be on there. And I was like, hold on, Stella, what's happened here? You've lost so much weight. She goes, yes, Vivian, I have.
Wow.
She really had, and she was so dedicated to it. So it works. Don't get put off by it. You know, you say you're not losing weight. Trust me, be consistent.
You need it.
If you're not going to do anything, just be consistent. Take small steps. Don't say, oh, I'm going to lose it. And also, as I must say, it's a lifestyle change. So don't say I'm doing it for 3 months, I'm going to be fit.
It must be a permanent thing for you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vivian. Our time is gone. We're going to bring you back on this show. You want to join Vivian's Zoom class? Vivian's email address is on the screen. If you need our contact as well, my mobile detail is there on the screen. You get in touch and we'll definitely make sure you get in touch, you get across to Vivian. Before we go, 20 seconds, what do you say to people tonight? Health is wealth.
Health is wealth. Yeah, consistency is key. Don't let the current situation put you off. Nah, this is just the beginning. As long as you're consistent in terms of your fitness, your health, sky's the limit.
Your health is your wealth. Keep fit. Stay safe.
Definitely.
Once there is life, there is always hope.
That's it.
So you come first. Looking after yourself, looking after your body comes first. We want to say thank you, Vivian, for coming tonight.
Thank you for having me. Yes,
and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Lovely.
By the grace of God. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. Until I see you same time, same station next week. Keep fit. God bless. Good night.
Thank you.
Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your legal matters? Think KACE Law Solicitors. We are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.